Mga kabombo, ang chairman ng Florete Group of Companies, si Dr. Rogelio M. Florete, ay binigyan ng pagkilala bilang Business Icon of Visayas. May balita ang Bombo Radio Bacolod.
Tinanggap ng representative ni Dr. Rogelio Florete, chairman ng Florete Group of Companies, ang pagkilala na ibinigay sa kanya kasabay ng 35th Visayas Area Business Conference sa Bacolod City. Ang Certificate of Award ay tinanggap ni na Jovi Linga, Cluster Head ng Queen Bank Bacolod City at Bombo Daniel Lecciones, Station Manager ng DYWB Bombo Radio Bacolod. Sa panayam ng Bombo Radio kay Mr. Frank Carbon, Chief Executive Officer ng Metro Bacolod Chamber of Commerce and Industry, pinarangalan na si Dr. Florete dahil sa kanyang negosyo na flow water sa lalawigan ng Iloilo. Ayon kay Carbon, kinilala nila ang mga negosyante na nag-invest sa 3 public utilities na kinabibilangan ng fuel o energy, power o electricity at tubig. Anya, nag-iisa lamang si Dr. Florete sa mga awardees na nag-invest sa tubig sa Visayas. Humahanga ito sa visyon ni Dr. Florete na kailangan ng bayan ng potable water supply, kaya nag-invest ito sa flow water.
Water is very much needed, not only during the time when but nakita nila in the future, which is what Mr. Florete was able to see the need of the water in the future. That's why he engaged in this water supply, potable water supply. And Mr. Florete dedicated, I think, good portion of his time, for developing the flow water business, Mr. Florete, especially in Iloilo. Sa water side, si Mr. Florete lang was able to
Nanawagan naman ito kay Dr. Florete na tumulong upang masolusyonan ang problema sa tubig sa Bacolod.
Hopefully, Mr. Florete, his expertise and vision, he could export it here in Bacolod and Negros.
Ang Florete Group of Companies ay parent organization ng Bombo Radio Philippines, the #1 and most trusted source of news and information sa buong bansa. At kabilang din sa Florete Group of Companies ay ang Star FM, Queen City Development Bank, R. Florete Pawn Shop and Jewelry Incorporated, Plazuela de Iloilo, Florete Land Incorporated at Flow Water Resources Iloilo Incorporated. Ang 35th Visayas Area Business Conference ay sinimula noong Mayo 13 at natapos kagabi Mayo 15, kung saan major priority ang food security and agriculture, fuel and logistics at food and industry. Mula rito sa lalawigan ng Negros Occidental, para sa Bombo Network News, ito si Bombo Glory Faith Alciario, and this is Bombo Radio Philippines, the #1 and most trusted source of news and information, basta radyo. Bombo!
For the most trusted source of news and information, visit our website at www.bomboradio.com. Follow us on Bombo Radio mobile app, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok and X, formerly Twitter. Like, share, and stay connected. Anytime, anywhere.